Today I am teaching organic chemistry. Chapter number 10. Chapter number 10. Chapter name is halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives. ये marks for okay. तो in this chapter first definition of halogen derivatives. Definition compounds which are obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon by the halogen atom. They are known as halogen derivatives. Okay. Halogen derivatives definition: compounds which are obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon by the halogen atom, they are known as halogen derivatives. Okay. For example, RH aliphatic hydrocarbon. R is alkyl group, methyl, ethyl, propyl. तो RH is alkane aliphatic hydrocarbon. Replacement of hydrogen by halogen atom minus H plus X. तो RX is alkyl halide. RX is alkyl halide. IUPAC name haloalkane. Okay. Replacement of hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom, we obtain alkyl halide. IUPAC name haloalkane. Aromatic hydrocarbon H, aromatic hydrocarbon, benzene ring. Replacement of hydrogen atom minus H plus X by halogen atom, benzene ring, ये X. Aryl halide, simple name aryl halide. IUPAC name haloarine. Okay. Aliphatic hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon, aromatic compound. Replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen atom, we gain aryl halide or haloarine. Haloarine is IUPAC name. Okay. So definition of halogen derivatives: compounds which are obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon by halogen atom, they are known as halogen derivatives. Okay. In this chapter we discuss फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स। इस चैप्टर में हम निम्न पॉइंट्स पढ़ेंगे। मोनो हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स, मोनो हेलोजन derivatives. Mono halogen derivatives means replacement of one hydrogen atom by halogen atom. Mono halogen derivatives. For example, CH3X. Second point इस चैप्टर में dihalogen derivatives. Dihalogen derivatives. Okay, CH2X2 dihalogen derivatives, replacement of two hydrogen atom by two halogen atom. And third point, trihalogen derivatives. Trihalogen derivatives, CHX3, replacement of three hydrogen atom by three halogen atom. And fourth point, tetrahalogen derivatives. Tetrahalogen derivatives, CX4, replacement of four hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon by four halogen atom, tetrahalogen derivatives. And fifth point, aryl halide, ARX, aromatic halide. Number 6 point, freon. 7 point, DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. 8 point, BSC, benzene hexachloride. Okay, so we discuss following points in halogen derivatives chapter. Okay, तो देखो ये पॉइंट्स पढ़ने से पहले हम क्लासिफिकेशन पढ़ेंगे। इसमें क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स, क्लासिफिकेशन ओके, क्लासिफिकेशन। तो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स थ्री टाइप्स। Classification of halogen derivatives, three types. First classification, on the basis of number of halogen atom. First, on the basis of number of halogen atom, okay, on the basis of number of halogen atom, they are classified as mono, di, tri, tetra, etc. They are classified as mono, di, tri, tetra, etc. Okay, it means mono halogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, trihalogen derivatives and tetrahalogen derivatives. For example, formula, okay, CH3Cl is mono halogen derivatives, monohaloalkane replacement of one hydrogen atom by one halogen atom, CH3Cl, CH2 Cl2, dihaloalkane, dihaloderivatives, replacement of two hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon by two halogen atom, CHCl3, and fourth CCl4, replacement of four hydrogen atom by four halogen atom. Okay, simple name, इनके simple name alkyl halide, CH3Cl is methyl chloride, CH2Cl2 methylene chloride, CH2 is methylene group, methylene chloride, CHCl3 chloroform, CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, okay. IUPAC name, CH3Cl haloalkane chloromethane, monohalogen derivatives, chloromethane, CH2Cl2 dichloromethane, CHCl3 trichloromethane, CCl4 number of halogen atom 4, tetrachloromethane, CCl4, सामान्य नाम, सिंपल नेम, कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड. ओके, कैटेगरी CH3Cl mono halogen derivatives, monohaloalkane, replacement of one hydrogen atom by one halogen atom, monohaloalkane, CH2Cl2 dihaloalkane, number of halogen atom 2, dihaloalkane, CHCl3 trihaloalkane, and CCl4 tetrahaloalkane, okay. So CH3Cl methyl chloride, IUPAC name chloromethane. CH2Cl2 methylene chloride, simple name, IUPAC dichloromethane. CHCl3 simple name chloroform and IUPAC name trichloromethane. CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, IUPAC name tetrachloromethane. Number of halogen atom 1, monohaloalkane, number of halogen atom 2, dihaloalkane, number of halogen atom 3, trihaloalkane, number of halogen atom 4, in replacement of 4 hydrogen atom by 4 halogen atom, tetrahaloalkane. Okay, first classification on the basis of number of halogen atom. Okay, second classification, second classification. Second classification number 2, compounds containing sp3CX bond compounds containing sp3CX bond. It means हेलोजन एटम जिस कार्बन एटम पर अटैच है हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp3. ओके, हेलोजन एटम is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, so on the basis of compounds containing sp3CX bond, okay, three types alkyl halide, second allylic halide, and third benzylic halide. First alkyl halide. First alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl halide. Definition of alkyl halide: compounds which are obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom of saturated hydrocarbon okay, compounds which are obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom of saturated hydrocarbon by the halogen atom. They are known as alkyl halide. They are known as alkyl halide. Okay, compounds which are obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom of saturated hydrocarbons by the halogen atoms, they are known as alkyl halides. Saturated hydrocarbons two types होते हैं, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons means single bond between carbon atom. Unsaturated hydrocarbons multiple bond between carbon atom. Okay, so definition of alkyl halide: compounds which are obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom of saturated hydrocarbon by halogen atom, they are known as alkyl halide. Okay, next the general formula of alkyl halide is Rx. The general formula of alkyl halide, general formula of alkyl halide, is Rx. R is alkyl group and X is halogen atom. और देखो R is alkyl group, Cn H2n plus 1 X. X is halogen atom. X is equal to FCl Bri, halogen atom. FCl Bri. Fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodine, halogen atom. X is halogen atom, FCl Bri, and N is equal to 1 2 3 dot dot. Okay, Cl number of carbon atom and H2n plus 1 number of hydrogen atom. Okay, general formula of alkyl halide is Rx or CnH2n plus 1 X. X is halogen atom at Cl Bri, n is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, if n is equal to 1, CS3 methyl. If n is equal to 2, C2H5 ethyl. And if n is equal to 3, C3H7 propane. Okay, R is alkyl group. Okay, next point, on the basis of carbon atom to bonded with halogen atom, alkyl halide are three types. Three types alkyl halide: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. First, primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. First, primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. Okay. First, primary alkyl halide. Second, secondary alkyl halide. And third, tertiary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide, halogen atom. Halogen atom is bonded with primary carbon atom. Halogen atom is bonded. Halogen atom is bonded with primary carbon atom. With primary carbon atom. For example, any primary alkyl halide, halogen atom is bonded with primary carbon atom. Halogen atom is bonded with primary carbon atom. Primary alkyl halide. For example, first example, CS3 CH2 Cl, 1 degree alkyl halide. 1 degree alkyl halide. CS3 CH2 Cl, 1 degree alkyl halide. Simple name, ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. IUPAC name, chloroethyl. Okay, CH3 CH2 Cl, primary alkyl halide, 1 degree. Halogen atom Cl is bonded with primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. Okay, CH3 CH2 Cl, simple name ethyl chloride. IUPAC नेम क्लोरोएथेन. आपको आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे? 1 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री, 3 डिग्री. हैलोजन एटम जिस कार्बन एटम से अटैच है वो कितने से जुड़ रहा है? 1 कार्बन से. ओके, 1 डिग्री एल्किल हैलाइड, ये प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम. ओके, Cl हैलोजन एटम इज बॉन्डेड विद प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम. ठीक, तो आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे? हैलोजन एटम जिस कार्बन एटम से जुड़ रहा है वो 1 कार्बन एटम से अटैच है. We can say primary alkyl halide. And secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. secondary alkyl halide. Halogen atom is bonded with secondary carbon atom. Halogen atom is bonded with halogen atom is bonded with secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom. Okay, halogen atom is bonded with the secondary carbon atom. For example CH3 CH Cl CH3 2 degree alkyl halide. Cl halogen atom is bonded with the secondary carbon atom. It means halogen atom जिस कार्बन एटम से अटैच है वो कितने कार्बन से अटैच है 1 2 से, तो 2 डिग्री alkyl halide secondary alkyl halide. Simple name isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. IUPAC name numbering 1 2 3 2 chloropropane 2 chloropropane secondary alkyl halide. Halogen atoms is bonded with secondary carbon atom. And third, tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. Halogen atom is bonded with tertiary carbon atom. Halogen atom is bonded. Halogen atom is bonded with tertiary carbon atom. For example CH3 C CH3 Cl CH3 3 degree alkyl halide. Okay, CH3 C CH3 Cl 3 degree alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. Halogen atom is bonded with tertiary carbon atom. It means halogen atom जिस कार्बन पर अटैच है वो कितने कार्बन से अटैच है 1 2 3, तो then we can say tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, simple name tertiary butyl chloride. 1 2 3 4 कार्बन एटम है. tertiary simple name tertiary butyl chloride. Simple name. And IUPAC name numbering 1 2 3 2 chloro 2 methyl propane. Longest carbon chain 3 carbon atom. 2 chloro alphabetic order रूल का पालन करेंगे. 2 chloro 2 methyl propane. 2 chloro 2 methyl 2 methyl propane. Okay, 2 chloro 2 methyl propane. Tertiary alkyl halide. Halogen atom is bonded with tertiary carbon atom. Okay, so compounds containing sp3CX bond. यानी halogen atom जिस कार्बन एटम पर अटैच है हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp3. Okay, Cl halogen atom, CH2 sp3 hybridization. Number of sigma bond 1 2 3 4. Each single bond sigma bond. So hybridization sp3. Halogen atom attached this carbon. Number of sigma bond 1 2 3 4. Hybridization sp3. Halogen atom Cl attached this carbon. Number of sigma bond 1, 2, 3, 4. Hybridization